Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your ordinary vacuum to vacuum seal food in mylar bags using sealer that doesn't have a vacuum function. Okay, so the first thing I have is your standard issue mylar bag. And for this demonstration, I've cut it down just a little bit to fit the amount of product that I'm going to put into the bag. After I cut it, I did a little secret. I punched a hole in just one side of the bag, not both sides, just the one side over near the corner. And I did that just using your regular basic hole punch. Okay. So let's try this just a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is pour some macaroni into the pouch. So let me do that right here. Okay. Good. So now my pouch is full of macaroni. And the next thing I need to do is seal this up. Now when I seal it, I'm going to make sure that the seal is between the hole and the edge so that I end up sealing all the way along here and the hole will be on the inside where the food is. Okay? So let's give that a try. Okay, just going to work on that for just a moment. Okay, it looks like I've got a good seal. So now here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take just some basic packing tape here, just a small piece. Not that big, and I'm going to get it ready to seal the hole. Okay, so I've done that, and now I'm going to get my vacuum cleaner. I used to have a little hand vacuum cleaner right here. Let's turn it on and put it over the hole, and then I'll seal it up. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that! Is that just taking the air right out? Yeah, look at that. Good. Ready to go. Now I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to seal across that corner. Okay? So let's do that. Looking on it. Whoa, I've got it. I like that. Vacuum sealed using an ordinary vacuum to create the vacuum.